Okay, I got her all back together now, and candle's lit, so I'll slide it underneath and start her up for you. Now with the better fitting piston, it actually not so much drag on it, so it actually starts up a little quicker. It actually runs so fast that a little bit of vibration actually makes it slide across the table, but and if you compare it to the first video, I'm sure you'd be even able to tell the sound of it. It sounds a lot smoother now. It actually almost looks like it's running really slow. You know, the frame rate of the camera with the RPM makes it look like it's running slower than it is. Now she'll top out at about 1550, but then obviously the cold side starts warming up a little bit, you know, heat transfer, so it does slow down, but it's running pretty fast. So there it is.